Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and this is the beginning of February, and this is the best time, at least for USDA Zone 9, where you can sow cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce, and things like that, and kohlrabi. So that's what I'm going to do today. I have these kohlrabi seeds that I'm going to plant in this container, and this container is about 2.5 feet long and 1.5 feet in width and about um, 15 inches in depth. And at the bottom I have filled it with leaves, and those leaves will get, the dry leaves from all these trees. So I have filled it, till half, because they'll settle down slowly, so they'll break up and they'll provide good compost to the soil. And on top I have put, the regular potting soil mix. And as the leaves at the bottom they break down, this will settle down, and that's fine. I can put more soil in it later on. And this container has good drainage at the bottom, and you can see that this spot is pretty sunny, so it gets a lot of light for at least 4 hours in the daytime, which is what you need for all the vegetables to grow. So let's plant some seeds. So here are my kohlrabi seeds. They are pretty tiny. I'm going to just take out a few. You can also start them inside, but I'm just putting them here directly because now it's February, so it's not that cold. It's going to still get a frost a few times, so the seeds are really tiny. So I'm just going to put them just not too deep. The soil on top of the seed should be just 4 times the size of the seed, and these are tiny, so not too deep, maybe quarter inch approximately, of course. So just cover the soil, and I'm going to water it now. And then because it still gets pretty cold at night, I'm going to cover it with the lid, this yellow lid on top in the evening, so that whatever heat this planter collects in the daytime, it stays within this planter, and the soil stays warm. Because for seeds to germinate, they need two things, warmth and moisture. So I'm going to water it thoroughly, and then later in the day, towards the evening, I'll just cover it with that lid so that it stays warm. And as the seeds start to germinate, I'll keep you posted. It's been exactly 2 weeks that we planted the kohlrabi seeds, and it seems like most of the seeds have germinated. I still close the lid of this planter at night so that they are protected from frost or just cold weather in general. But then I open it in the morning. In the whole day they have sunlight shining on them. I keep the soil moist, and it's been raining, so I didn't have to water them, but I just make sure that they are never dry. It's been a few weeks that we planted kohlrabi, and the seedlings are doing very well. This side they are pretty big, this side they are not as big, but now they all have true leaves. The first two leaves, these round ones, they are the seed leaves, and these are the true leaves. So now they have true leaves. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded. So it's been about 7 weeks, and you can see that these kohlrabi plants are doing great. The leaves are healthy, upright, and I also added some compost on top, because they require a lot of rich soil. So just to make sure that they do well, I put some compost on top, and that has definitely helped. And normally they say that these start producing the bulbs in about 2 to 3 months, but it also depends on the weather, because it's been really cold. It has been about freezing temperature at night, so that kind of slows down the growth a little bit. But now the weather has started to become warmer. At night it is about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the daytime it's about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's or actually 70 degrees Fahrenheit in the daytime. So now I can clearly see the growth, suddenly, because it's almost springtime. They have started to grow better. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and so that if you haven't started kohlrabi in your gardens, you should start at least now, depending on the zone you are. We are in zone 9. Then I'll create another video to show you the growth and the harvest. One thing you need to remember is that kohlrabi needs a lot of sun, so like 6 hours of full sun and rich soil, and keep the soil moist, and then they'll start to grow. One thing I forgot to mention is that as the seedlings were growing, because there were too many of them for this container, I kind of thinned them down, because if they grow very close to each other, then they compete for the same resources and the growth will not be as much. So you want to keep them about 5 or 6 inches apart. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.